Welcome back to the Hill Update. I am your host, Dean Allison.
On the weekly TV show that he hosts, Conservative MP Dean Allison has been bringing on guests, and together they have been questioning the effectiveness of vaccines.
That we should be recognizing natural immunity.
Allison is also the sponsor of 2 e-petitions in the House of Commons. One calls on the government to approve ivermectin as a treatment for COVID. Health Canada has already warned Canadians it is dangerous to take that drug. And the other petition asserts that vaccines are not proven safe and that vaccine passports should be banned. But it is not just Allison. At least 5 other Conservative MPs have also been raising concerns about vaccines on social media, in petitions, and in news columns. And that is creating a political headache for Erin O'Toole, who wants his caucus to send a different message.
Vaccines are safe. You're right, David. And all of our MPs are talking about that responsibly. And where people have not, our caucus will be addressing that. We are addressing that. We all have a role to play.
Now, one of the MPs who was recently spreading misinformation about vaccines, that's Ontario MP Marilyn Gladu, she issued an apology today, and she did that one day after O'Toole publicly criticized her for doing so. That is the power of the Leader's office, Donna.
And David, Erin O'Toole named his shadow cabinet today. Who is in, who's out, and what message does it send?
Well, first of all, let's look at who's out, not in shadow cabinet. Gladu is one of them. She had been health critic under Andrew Scheer. She didn't make the cut. Neither did Leslyn Lewis, another vaccine skeptic in caucus. And that's a pretty clear sign that O'Toole is not going to feature any MPs that are offside on vaccines. But he is going to feature some strong caucus members. Pierre Poilievre, for example, very popular with the Conservative base. He will be finance critic. Calgary MP Michelle Rempel-Garner, she's going to champion Alberta's oil and gas industry as natural resources critic. What O'Toole is trying to do, put his best people up against the strong performers in Trudeau's cabinet. Donna?
All right, David Akin in Ottawa, thanks.